don't skip this video. If you're a beginner in tennis, let's go! Before you start, don't forget to warm up your muscles. Now let's do quick and easy beginner's guide in tennis. Do 10 times forehand, 10 times backhand, okay? Go, start. Okay, that's the good grip, okay? That's a semi-western grip. Footwork is key. Move sideways, shuffle your feet, and stay light on your toes. This will help you reach those tricky shots and maintain your good balance. Warm up, practice forehand and backhand, and finish with some footwork drills. And there you have it. Consistency is key. Quick and easy, right? Let's practice together. See you at Playfield Kids Academy Strength Tank. Bye-bye.